You said
I always see you out here riding. So I always see you going this. Cause I patrol out here, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're only like freaking 7 foot tall dude on a bicycle out here.
My guy. What's your name?
Obot.
Obot?
What up, man?
I'm Jay.
Jay, what up, man?
Yeah, man.
Did you go to Santa Clara? Or?
Yeah, sort of.
Yeah.
Not for long, but you know.
Well, no, because I live in San Jose, so I see it all the time.
Yeah, I'm from San Jose.
My mom lives out there, so
What part of San Jose you live in?
I live by San Jose State, kind of downtown.
Okay, you downtown. Going around this side. Like it ran down.
Status. Right down on top of the car? No. Oh, man. You're trying to get me in trouble. I like my job, bro.
I like my job.
Shoot, man, I got bills to pay.
I heard that.
I can honestly say I don't disrespect anybody. I try to keep it civil.
Keeping it real. So you riding with us too, or what?
Well, yeah, we got escorts for you guys. I'll be behind. The supervisor for the event. So
right.
I just hope everybody acts accordingly and we get there.
What do you mean by accordingly?
Well, because there's some dirt bike riders and our guys that are escorting, they say if those guys do wheelies, we're leaving. So, you know, and that escort is like hard to get. The one with the motorcycles, our guys.
Yeah.
And so it's gonna be not cool if you get two motorcycle guys and they mess up that escort.
So, hypothetically speaking, say if the dirt bikers came through.
Well, no, well you have two. They're gonna ride with you guys. They said they're gonna behave.
Right.
So now if they don't, then you guys are gonna have to stop at every red light.
Right.
And then we'll help you guys accordingly go through greens, block off.
Yeah.
It'll just make it not cool.
Right.
Right.
I hear that.
You know, everybody's got to get along.
Yeah. I hear that. Side note question after you're done texting. Let me finish. You can finish your text.
There's a Dodger Giant game going on today, and we're going to take over 30 teams. We're going to take over 30 teams. Well, how are we going to take over these intersections?
What's up, man?
So, like, speaking about, like, dirt bikes, not even really dirt bikes, but, like, say, like, electric scooters, obviously you see those a lot, right?
Yeah.
How do you guys, like, feel about, like, you know, reprimanding those, or just...
This is San Francisco, man. That stuff is so, like, low on the...
Right. Doesn't even matter.
The only issue is, like, when somebody gets hit, obviously a report has to be generated.
Right.
And hopefully the person whose fault it is cooperates.
Right.
I mean, they all... Right, all this company have permits. They charge. It's tough to. Well, there are laws, whether it's street or sidewalk, whatever. But there's so many other little things going on. We don't have time. And even now, even when we do stuff like, then it escalates beyond. Then it becomes a fight. Then it's, like, it's not even worth it.
It's not even worth it.
Because then we're like, oh, well, you're beating him up, and I'm just trying to cite him, but he started swinging at me. Oh, well, you brought it up. I was like, you know what? It's not even worth it.
Yeah. Man, I hear that, bro. That's what's up, brother. We get it from all angles.
Yeah. From all angles.
Definitely.
And it's like, I mean, even like this, when I see people driving by, they're shaking their head, looking at us.
Right.
Because we're allowing this.
Exactly.
But they got a permit. Everybody's, you know, everybody's permitted. Like, they're just mad because you're not having, or whatever, right? Everybody's got their own perspective, right?
Yeah.
Like, and then, of course, you're going to have people downtown who are going to be upset.
Yeah.
Because bicyclists are taking over see, everybody's got their thing, right?
Exactly. Right. Jeez. All right. So fuck around and find out. Look at this shit. Jeez, this is crazy as hell. This is crazy as hell. Hilarious. Well, there you have it, people. From a SFPD's perspective, they don't give two shits about electric scooters. That's so beneath their pendulum of what's really going on. So, yeah, there you have it. So I'm gonna continue to ride as crazy as I ride, and all my buddies will do so as well. All right, let's have a good one. Yeah.